Hi everybody, my name is Cecilia Pilon. I have been studying youth and adult correctional intervention for 2 years now. I'm in my third semester. My program consists of working with children or adults with a difficult past, multiple mental health problems like depression, drug problem, and many more, and more often than not with a justice problem like committing crimes and having a criminal record. In my future career, I will be asked to write a lot of reports and legal documents, sometimes in French, sometimes in English. This is how this website will come in handy, because my English isn't as perfect as my French. I can pass all of my written reports in that website, so I don't get embarrassed in court when my documents are full of grammar mistakes and the judge don't validate them because of that. So now I'm going to show you how to use Virtual Writing Tutor. In the top left corner of the screen, you can see my browser. For my laptop, it's Safari. If you click on it, it will automatically open a new tab. In the top middle part of my screen, you have the address bar, where you have to write the URL of the website. In our case, it's virtualwritingtutor.com. It's right here. All I have to do is press enter. So this is Virtual Writing Tutor. In the top left corner of my screen, we have the option to maximize the screen. All we have to do is click on the green button. In the middle of my screen, you have the navigation menu, where we have all the options to correct my text. Word count, check grammar, check target structures, and many more. Right under it, there's the text area where you write or copy-paste the text you want the website to correct. In my case, I will copy-paste a little paragraph. So, I did one mistake in my little text to show you guys how the website works. Now that I'm done, I have to press the Submit button, check grammar. If we use the scroll bar on the right side of the screen, we can read all the information about my text. The word count, the paragraph count, but more importantly, the mistakes that I made. First, it gives you the sentence where the mistake is, and they underline the mistake in red. Second, they give you a little feedback about the mistake that you did. Third, they will tell you what type of mistake you did. Here it's a typo. And at last, they give you multiple corrections and you choose the one that fits better with your text. I did a mistake in the word worker. So in the suggestion, the word worker with an E would fit the best in my text. Then I use the scroll bar to go back up and correct my mistake. Now I will resubmit my text to be 100% sure there's no other mistake. As you can see, the word count is at 0. Now that I'm 100% sure I have no more mistakes, I can copy-paste my new mistake-free text and use it. I can now close my browser by clicking on the Close button in the top right corner of my screen. Thank you for listening to me, and I hope it was really useful.